Alright, hi everyone, this is Arvind from Mining Business Data, and today I wanted to show you a quick demo of the transcript feature in Chatbase. Here I have, we are looking at the integration of Chatbase with the support bot I have on my website. And if you want to interact with the support bot, you can just go to miningbusinessdata.com, and at the top right you will see a menu option which will take you to the support bot. And here I have, in the support bot there is actually a quiz which has 3 questions, and what I'm looking for is the messages. Under the messages tab, after you selected the appropriate chatbot, under the messages tab you can see the different messages which were received by the chatbot, and also you have to mark them as handled and not handled. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but I'm looking specifically for an example where someone has answered all the 3 questions correctly. So I will, let's take a look. Yeah, this is the one which I'm talking about. So the chatbot asks 3 questions, and you can see that this is an example of the chatbot handling a specific intent, and I've named it EOC. Here stands for end of conversation, and here it means the user's third answer was correct. So if you want to see what the actual chat looked like, all you have to do is, under the intent name, you just have to click on the view transcripts link here, and it takes a few seconds to load, and you can see that it's basically rendering it as if it was a proper chat. And notice that as you are looking at the chat conversation, you can see that it's based on the session ID which is marked over here, which is displayed over here. And if you take a look at how the chat went, the user seems to have started off with some gibberish phrase, and then they choose to take a quiz on Dialogflow, and then they provide answers to those set of questions. And that's basically this is how the conversation proceeded. So based on this, you can see a few things. The first is, you have this tab, you have this section just open up on the right of the page, which is already, that's I like that a lot, because it's taking up, it's not like sending you to a new page or something. But I was very curious to know how they will handle multiple occurrences of this intent. So the way they have done that is by using this the left and right arrows over here, which kind of takes you to the next transcript which has the same intent being triggered. In fact, if you go back one step, you can see that the session ID here, it changes from this first chat conversation, and once I clicked on to the next one, you can see that it's changed to a different chat conversation. And you can also see that right below the message, it even shows you the timestamp of when this happened. And you can keep moving on like this and check the different conversation transcripts. So I really like this feature. I think that the user interface is very interesting, and it kind of puts it all in one place. It's not too hard to scroll through the different transcripts, which I really like. And if there's one thing that is missing, if you have a lot of these instances, I wish there was a way to just jump to a certain instance to maybe go and see the latest one or something like that. Right now, I don't think that you can see that this left arrow gets disabled if you reach the first instance, which means that you can't like click on this to go to the last one. But other than that, I really like this interface, and I think that they've made a very good some very good design choices to display the transcripts for the chatbots. So that's a quick review of the transcripts feature in Chatbase. And if you are interested to learn more about this, you can go and read the adjoining or the associated article, which will also, I'll have a link to that right below the video. Thanks.